Today, I'll be focusing on three cultural dimensions in Latino communities: traditions, values, family structures, and how each one shapes food practices. Traditions. In many Latino culture, traditions guide what food are prepared and when they're eaten. For example, tamales are eaten during Christmas, and caldo de pollo, chicken soup, which is also known for its comforting, flavorful broth made with whole pieces of chicken, hearty vegetables, and aromatic herbs, and they're usually eaten when someone is sick. These aren't just meals, they're cultural rituals. These traditions keep indigenous and regional foodways alive and create a sense of belonging. They also influence everyday eating patterns by emphasizing homemade meals, fresh ingredients, and shared preparation. Values shape the meaning behind food. In Latino culture, sharing food with extended families, neighbors, guests is often tied to generosity, hospitality, and love. Serving abundant portions or offering food to guests is often seen as a sign of caring and hospitality. Respect for elders also mean that traditions, recipes are preserved and passed down. These values strengthen cultural identity, but can also influence portion sizes and expectations around eating. These values can support nutrition-rich diets, including fresh produce and lean proteins, but can also create tension when nutrition guidance conflict with cultural expectations of abundance or hospitality. Family structures in Latino culture is often multi-generational and highly interconnected, shaping foods, choices, and eating routines. Elders often guide what meal is being cooked. In large family households, it means meals are cooked in big batches and often favoring cost-effective staples like rice, beans, tortillas, and stews. Sharing mealtimes reinforces routine eating patterns and helps children learn about cultural foods early on. Gender roles may influence who cooks and how nutrition knowledge is passed down, with mothers and grandmothers often serving as primary food educators. Family structures strengthen cultural food practices and shapes daily dietary habits. Understanding traditions, values, family structures helps nutrition professionals build trust and offer guidance that respect cultural identity. It allows them to provide culturally respectful guidance that aligns with foods family already love and trust. It can also help with identifying Latino foodways, such as which are high in fiber, plant-forward meals, and build on them rather than replacing them. It also finds ways to engage the whole family, recognizing that food decisions are often collective and not individual. When nutrition professionals advise align with culture, people are more likely to follow it and feel understood, and it can also improve trust, communication, which increases the likelihood that nutrition recommendations will be followed.